All right, recording started September 3rd. Mikola, you've got the 2 points on the agenda. Take it away.
Yeah, thank you. That's a short topic. So first I would like to discuss or raise and notify about build team's intention to remove source to image pipelines. So the reason for this is that they are not used for quite a while and no one mentioning it. So if they are not used anyway, so why should we support them? So we plan to remove those pipelines. Those are source to image based for Node.js and the same for Java builds. But in fact, in current reality, all the users have own Docker files. So we don't see point in keeping them anymore. But if anyone has any objections to this, so please let us know. Otherwise, we'll proceed with the removal. Thank you.
I don't have an objection. I'm just curious about the tasks themselves. Are there any plans to remove the task or just the pipeline at this point?
Not just pipeline, and if you have some dedicated tasks, they will be removed too. But I guess it's only tasks that replaces builder. So it uses the same base template as other pipelines, just with the replacement for the build task.
My question was, are we going to deprecate the S2I npm, for example, task? Or no? Are we going to still support those?
Yeah, we are going to deprecate them.
Okay, so tasks and pipelines.
Yes.
Thank you. Cool. Thank you.
Thank you for good question and clarification. Yes.
I do want to note that there's one task that is not able to be deprecated yet that will be at the end of the sprint, which is the Claire scan task. So we might have to hold up on that one.
Wait, I'm confused, Ryan. The Claire scan task?
Yes, the Claire scan task currently still uses the base image digest result. We're changing that in a story that we're doing this sprint in the integration service.
I see. Okay, I think we're still on the first.
Is that second topic?
Oh, sorry. I heard the deprecation thing, and I thought I missed the change of topic. I'm sorry about that.
No worries. Okay, if no more on this deprecation pipelines, we can get to the next topic and discuss this. So very short introduction. We already removed those results from, okay, for people who haven't looked at the agenda, it's base images digest result that was produced by builder task. And due to tecton size result limits and other considerations, we removed already that result from current pipeline version, but we still have old tasks like builder, v1, and other tasks that still rely on that result. So we are gonna deprecate our old tasks that produces this outdated result. Plus, we would like to deprecate other tasks that consume it and ask users to migrate to newer version. And regarding your question about Claire scan, so definitely the task should be kept, but it should have newer versions that doesn't rely on that result. And if you need to consume base images, so you can look into SBOM where they are stored now. So if you need more detailed information, feel free to contact build team and we will discuss that and help where possible. Yes.
Sorry, it's me again. I'm a little confused about the Ryan's comment from earlier. Like I'm looking at the Claire scan task and I don't see it using base images as a parameter. I'm wondering what I'm missing.
Yeah, I was just commenting that that one would be updated very shortly, but we can't quite deprecate it yet because we haven't updated it.
Andrew?
So Ryan, there's already some tasks that don't use base image digest result. Are you saying that ClareScan is unsupported on these?
Yes, and it should be the last one.
Because I mean, so we've already changed the, as I understand it, we've removed the result from the 0-2 build of tasks, and many users are leveraging that. If you're saying that ClareScan doesn't support those, and that means that many people are not getting valid Claire results.
Yes, it does not. Let me double check that just to make sure there wasn't a change that I missed. But I know the integration team has not updated that.
Yeah, so our plan is to communicate with other teams as well and ask them to switch to the new location of the data. So we are not gonna just blindly deprecate everything.
Sounds good, Mikola. Let's take the thing about the ClearScan task offline and look into it.
Yeah.
Sounds
So-
good. Thank you.
Actually, I can resolve it right now. I'm sorry. I was getting the results mixed up with the parameters. It was the scan result result that was going to be changed, not the base image digest parameter.
Okay, I see the confusion.
Sorry
there.
for the confusion there.
No worries. Thank you. It's better to double check anyway.
Thanks, Ryan.
Okay. Thank you. That's it from my side for today. Thank you.
Thanks, Mikola. That's it in terms of our agenda. Anybody have anything else you want to raise? Okay, if not, I'm going to hit end recording.